Upgrading your home with bay windows is a great way to enhance natural light, add space, and boost curb appeal, but many homeowners assume it's a costly project. The truth is, there are several affordable bay window replacement ideas that make this upgrade accessible, even on a budget. For homeowners in Loves Park, it's all about making smart choices that balance cost, style, and long-term value. Bay windows are designed with 3 panels that extend outward from your home, creating both visual appeal and additional interior space. While they may seem like a luxury feature, there are practical ways to achieve this look without overspending. One of the most effective ways to keep costs down is by choosing the right materials. Vinyl bay windows are a popular budget-friendly option because they are durable, energy efficient, and require very little maintenance. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't need painting or sealing, which saves money over time. For Loves Park homeowners dealing with seasonal weather changes, vinyl also resists moisture and temperature fluctuations, making it a reliable long-term choice. Another way to save is by opting for a simpler design. While highly customized bay windows can increase costs, standard configurations still offer the same core benefits. Choosing a 3-panel design with clean lines and minimal decorative features can significantly reduce the price while still enhancing your home's appearance. Glass options also play a role in affordability. Double-pane glass is often a cost-effective choice that still provides solid insulation. It helps keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, which is especially important in Loves Park's climate. This added efficiency can lead to energy savings that offset the initial investment. If your current window opening is in good condition, consider working within the existing space. Expanding or restructuring the wall to accommodate a larger bay window can increase labor costs. By selecting a bay window that fits your current opening, you can avoid additional construction expenses while still achieving a refreshed look. Another budget-conscious idea is to combine fixed and operable windows. Using a large fixed center panel with smaller operable side windows reduces hardware costs while still allowing for ventilation. This approach keeps the design functional without adding unnecessary expense. Interior finishes can also be kept simple to stay within budget. Instead of custom-built seating or elaborate trim, you can create a cozy window nook with ready-made cushions or furniture. This allows you to enjoy the added space without investing in costly built-ins right away. Timing your project can also make a difference. Scheduling your window replacement during off-peak seasons may help you find better pricing on both materials and labor. Planning ahead gives you more flexibility and can lead to cost savings. Professional installation is still essential, even when working with a budget. A properly installed bay window ensures a tight seal, preventing drafts and moisture issues. This protects your investment and helps maintain energy efficiency. Cutting corners on installation can lead to costly repairs later, so it's worth choosing experienced professionals. Another way to manage costs is by replacing one window at a time. If a full upgrade isn't feasible right away, starting with a key area, such as your living room or front-facing window, allows you to enjoy the benefits while spreading out expenses over time. Energy efficiency should remain a priority, even when focusing on affordability. Choosing windows with good insulation and sealing helps reduce heating and cooling costs, which adds long-term value. Over time, these savings can make your bay window upgrade even more worthwhile. Beyond cost, bay windows offer lasting benefits that enhance your daily living experience. They bring in more natural light, make rooms feel larger, and create a welcoming atmosphere. In Loves Park homes, this added brightness can be especially valuable during colder months when natural light is limited. Ultimately, affordable bay window replacement is about making thoughtful decisions. By selecting cost-effective materials, simplifying design choices, and working with experienced installers, you can achieve a beautiful upgrade without exceeding your budget. For homeowners in Loves Park, bay windows don't have to be out of reach. With the right approach, you can enjoy the charm, light, and added space they provide, while keeping your project both practical and affordable.